afternoon and welcome to Mackey Stadium, Reno, Nevada. Tonight, the Wyoming Cowboys here to take on the Nevada Wolfpack. Well, it's a big game for the Cowboys. One thing we need to note here is that the Wolfpack plays very well here on their home field. They're a perfect 3-0 at home.
This is so much fun because this is a very big game for the Wyoming team.
Come on, baby!
Great contingent of Wyoming people across the way. Lots of gold in the stands.
Get it.
Hill, the deep back pitch to Hill. He's down the far sidelines. Look at the speed. Brian Hill. He'll take it the distance. Touchdown, Cowboys. He wanted to pass, but then he turned it into a running play and picks up the first down. Amazing stuff from Josh Allen. Allen steps up in the pocket, guns it over the middle. This is caught by Gentry. Gentry, he's to the 15, to the 10, and give it to Hill. Right off of Van Bonnen. He'll run into the end zone. Touchdown, Cowboys.
Ball handling by Ganji. The deception with Muhammad worked, and it's a Wolfpack touchdown for the sophomore quarterback. It's Hill again. There's that decisive cutting. Look at this guy go.
3rd and goal from the 1-yard line. Fake it to Hill. Allen's going to run it in untouched. Touchdown, Cowboys.
Outstanding call by Brent Vegan.
Pitch it now back to Conway. He's going to throw to Allen. Wide open in the end zone. Touchdown, Cowboys.
And Wyoming deceives everybody. Go up 27-13. And this time it's Butler popping through, spinning, and stopped just shy of the goal line. Now did he get in? Yeah, I believe he did get in. The extra.
Give it to Hill. He's running right. He's got a blocker in front of him. Makes a cut at the 10, the 5. He's in. Touchdown, Cowboys.
Down the middle of the field. The seam, the catch is made by Gibson. He'll get into the end zone. Touchdown, Wolfpack.
He's to the 25, inside the 20, still on his feet. Look at him go. He will not go down. Amazing.
Spectacular.
Great second, third, fourth effort. Well, that gives him his career record, 289.
That's beast mode right there, Brian Hill.
Makes the give. Allen's going to keep it, and he goes in. Touchdown, Cowboys.
That's the way to answer the bell right.
Is it a touchdown? Yes. Nevada has the football. Kelton Moore, number 23, came up with it.
Looks over the middle and fires. It is picked off by Logan Wilson.
The 11th interception by Wyoming's defense this year.
Cowboys will come out and they'll line up in that victory formation. The final score. Oh, the score. Wyoming 42, Nevada 34.
C-O-W-B-O-Y-S. Cowboys, Cowboys, Cowboys. Okay, let's get on the